Okay, so in the global footer, let's say in the default one, we are using a 3-column one. In this one, we're going to just use 2 columns. Okay, in the 2 columns, let's say we want to use the menu here. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial on how to customize the header of this WordPress, so kindly watch it now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates and for more tutorials. Okay, so let's go back to the theme builder. This is the customized setup, and we want to use, of course, and again, just like the header, we are going to set up a global footer. Okay, so in the global footer, let's say in the default one, we are using a 3-column one. In this one, we're going to just use 2 columns. Okay, in the 2 columns, let's say we want to use the menu here. uh, let's use the footer menu that I've set. Okay, that's that one. Hold on, let's see if we can change it to vertical. Oh no, here. So let's say we are going to use, let's explore this one. Okay, okay, so we have the 2 columns. Let's say we want to uh, put just a list of or let's say a bio here. So let's use text. Okay, and you can say here, say Vince is the author of of this, or Vince is a blogger and a WordPress tutor, and he specializes in the use of Divi theme. Okay, this is just an example. So click that one, and here we want to uh, let's say another button. Okay, okay, but we want to align this center. We can also add another element, probably another text. Let's say visit his other blog here. Visit his YouTube channel here, below. Okay, so I want this, I want to put this here above. Let's make it bigger. Design, text, 20, and make it bold, then put it center line. Right. So okay, now since this is the footer, okay, we want to have similar color. uh, let's say here, background color, let's add a color here. Okay, it's quite darker. Okay, we want to change, of course, the color of text. Design, text, text color, we want it white, or just simply click that one. So as here, we want this to be white. Okay, save. Okay, let's close this one and save changes. As you can see, this is the global footer, and it should also appear in the contact page. Okay, so let's refresh this one. Okay, so there you go. So as the about us page, there you go. What if we want to assign a particular, now let's do this. We want to make another one, a different one, instead of the contact page. We want it to have a different footer here in about us. So the same thing that we are going to do. Now remember, this is the default one. I haven't refreshed that. So I'll go to add new template, specific page, go to about, page. No, this one, specific page, about. Okay, all right, create a template. Now automatically it will use this global header. Remember, global header is using the global header. So we'll retain that one, global header, but this time we are going to use a different footer. Okay, so let's delete that one. Let's create another one. Use or build custom footer. Okay, this one we want to use 3 columns. We want to use uh, the address here. Probably let's use the uh, what can we use here? Huh? Maybe a blurb. Okay. Now image icon. Let's say call here. Sorry. Let's go back. Um, let's use the default image icon. Let's search for telephone. Okay. Use that one. But we want to put it on, instead of the top, let's put it on the left. Okay, and let's change this one. Of course, let's say call us. call us. Okay, this is just an example. All right, and we want to duplicate that one. Okay, but this time we want to say email us. Okay, and also let's change the icon email. All right, so something like that. And here, let's say we want to just have a, a list of page. Of course, you can set up a link here, this one, and you can probably make this 4, header 4, okay, something like that. And in here, let's say we want to have a blog list, or probably a, let's say, a testimonial. And here we want to use maybe another um, so let's say a contact form perhaps. Okay, so that's the default one. You can, you know, you can explore the settings here. So that's the default one, but this is just an example. So let's click save. Oh, okay, we want again to make this one darker. Okay, set this one to color light. Okay, same thing here. We want the color to be light. Same. Oops. This one, same thing. Text, default color. Okay. Now you see here, because we set this one as a header 4, we'll have to go to headings, heading 4, and then let's click this one. Okay, default one. Okay, so there you go. This one, design text, capture capture text. We want it to be white as well. Okay, all right. So click save. Let's close that one and click save. Okay, so remember that this is specifically what you will see in the contact page. This is specifically what you will see in the about us page. So in the contact page, we have a custom header but a global footer. In the about us page, we have a global header, but we have a custom footer. So here This is the global footer that we have set up earlier, but when you refresh that, see, you have a different one, specific footer. And here, even if you refresh that one, you'll have the global footer. Okay, there you go. So here you will see how Divi just revolutionized everything when it comes to header and footer. You can have literally nearly limitless way of doing this one. You just have to play around the settings and and the options, and you will be able to get what you want. So you can add more headers, more footer, specific in a specific page that you want. Okay, so I think that's for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials in the future. See you guys.